Baby, you the shit, you should be walking with your nose up. Baby, I'm with it if you with it.
Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kanaya, or you can call me Miss Prissy, whatever floats your boat. And today I'm going to be doing this glamorous, glitter, smoky Christmas look. So if you want to see how I achieve this, keep watching my video. Okay, y'all, so first we're going to start off with the Wet n Wild black lipstick, and I'm going to put that all over my lid to set that down as a base for the smoky eye. Now you're just going to blend it out with your fingers. This is the Profusion palette, and I'm going to take the black out of that palette. And I'm going to put that all over my lid where I put down the black base. The worst part about long nails, you can't never open nothing. But anyway, so now I'm taking this warm brown color out of this contour palette, and I'm just going to blend out the edges of that black so I don't look like a raccoon. Now you could take a makeup wipe or a little rag like I got and wipe off all that excess black base, wipe it off, and yeah. Now I'm going to take the Maybelline Superstay Foundation in Mocha, my absolute favorite foundation, my go-to. This foundation have you looking like, this is like full coverage, and it have you looking like, oh my god, you don't got to color correct or none of that. So yeah, now I'm just going to blend that all out. Now it's time to set, so I use Makeup Revolution setting powder to set my foundation. I don't use concealer. I like to do it this way, so yeah.
Yeah.
Get a fluffy brush and wipe off any extra powder that you have on your face. Time to contour. So I'm going to take that warm brown color and a little bit of the dark brown, and I'm going to contour my face. And this is just a regular palette that I got from like Burlington or something like that. So yeah. Wet n Wild setting spray. Spray that all over your face to set your makeup, and then I'm going to highlight next. Now I'm taking this black lip liner and I'm gonna line my lips with that. And I've been reaching for this lip gloss. This color is just so pretty. It go with every look also. It's it's by NK or Naki or something like that. I got it from the beauty supply store. I really like it. Now time for the hard part. I low-key don't like glitter, but anyway, I'm gonna take the NYX glitter primer and I'm gonna put that under my waterline. Cause I'm gonna pop glitter, green glitter on one eye and red glitter on the other eye. So that's where like the Christmassy theme comes in it. I am so sorry for my lighting in this video. I don't understand what the problem was, but my lighting was just so off. It was like being bright sometimes and then going into like this darkish light. I don't understand. I'm so sorry though.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something new. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. Comment, subscribe to my channel, especially if it's your first time seeing my face. Hit the bell to get notifications. And also, don't forget to follow me on IG at Miss Prissy. So, until next time, bye.